Hello, we want to welcome you to a series of demos for the new ATS Customer Portal. The new ATS Customer Portal gives our customers updated functionality, new features, and a more user-friendly, mobile-capable interface. Our ultimate goal is to make it easier for our customers to stay informed. Next, we're going to take a closer look at the reporting and notification features of the ATS Customer Portal. Starting with the reporting feature, you can get to that here from the dashboard, or you can hop in from the side menu. These reports are things that you can work with your CSR on defining. There are multiple different ways that you can look at your ATS business from these reports, and this first way will show you more of a tabular format of seeing reports, and then you can change the start and end date for the report. So as you can see, this will show my ATS business more in a grid format. In the second report, we'll just change the date range. The second report will show it more in a graphical representation. So these reports give you various ways to slice and dice and view your ATS business in different ways. And again, work with your CSR on defining the reports that you'd like to see. Now we'll take a closer look at the notification feature of the ATS portal. We can click into our notification settings here. Notifications allow you a way to be told about things that happen on your ATS loads without you having to log into the ATS portal. So you can enable or disable notifications completely. And when they're enabled, you can choose the different things that you want to be told about and the different times that you want to be told about them. So with our current setup, we will be told about any confirmed deliveries that happened on our loads, and we'll be told about those confirmed deliveries at 9:00 a.m. each day. We want to thank you for being an ATS customer, and please stay tuned for more demos.